2022 was a good year for DJI. We get to see drones in different categories, starting from different sizes to price range, and the most popular of them are the DJI Mini 3 and Mavic 3 Classic. So we thought, how do they compare with each other if we take the champion of two different drone budget segments? In today's video, we'll try to find that out. DJI Mini 3's design is almost similar to the Mini 3 Pro, but it has the legs on the arms like the Mini 2. These added legs provide better transmission and landing stability, which is a nice addition. With the standard battery, the drone weighs less than 250 grams, so it fits into the sub-mini drone category. Mini 3's propellers are also slightly larger than Mini 2, and they're at a slightly sloping position. Because of this shape, the flying sound is much softer than the other DJI Mini drones. The body dimension is pretty handy and can easily fit into any regular backpack without any issue. In comparison, the Mavic 3 Classic is much bigger and heavier. It weighs around 895 grams with the standard battery. Mavic 3 Classic, on the other hand, is much more professional in terms of capabilities, so you'll need certification before flying it in many areas. Additionally, it comes with a C1 label, which is very important for European users, and this labeling will allow you to fly the drone in the A1 subcategory. So the Mavic 3 Classic can fly to all the places that weren't possible before. The body isn't small, but it needed to be bulkier than mini drones because of the perks and features it can provide. Overall, the compromises Mini 3 makes for the smaller body form can be massive deal breakers for you. So if you want to shoot more professionally, and Mavic 3 Classic's body is also not too big for you to carry, so it's a win-win for the latter one. DJI Mini 3 has 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor with an aperture of 1.7. This sensor is capable of shooting 4K at 30 FPS. It's downgraded from the quality of the Mini 3 Pro, but still, you'll get decent 4K video quality. You can also shoot 12-megapixel high-res photos with the sensor. The camera performs well in both day and night time thanks to its dual native ISO and chip-level HDR technology. And the sensor's gimbal will let you tilt the camera vertically so you can shoot for your social media posts without compromising on the video quality. On the other hand, Mavic 3 Classic has a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and a variable aperture of f-stop 2.8 to f-stop 11 with 12.8 stops dynamic range, which you can control and tweak however you wish. This powerful sensor is capable of shooting 5.1K at 50 FPS, and you can also shoot 4K at 120 FPS. It also has a 3x digital zoom, so you can get a little closer if you ever need zooming. Mavic 3 Classic comes with 3 color profiles: normal, D-Log, and HLG. But these color profiles now can improve your experience as it's using the Hasselblad natural color solution embedded within it. So when we compare both, the Mavic 3 Classic destroys the Mini 3, period. Sensor, aperture, dynamic range, footage quality, there's no category where the Mini 3 can compete with the Classic. Okay, now if you look at the additional features, Mini 3 is using the same O2 OcuSync technology, so distance-wise, it covers 10 kilometers. Quick shot features like circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang can be shot with the drone. DJI Mini 3 has sensors in the bottom of the body for auto takeoff and return to home features. Battery life is also improved, and you can get up to 38 minutes of flight time from the standard battery. Apart from these, the camera can physically tilt up to 60 degrees, and it comes with a wind speed resistance of 10.7 ms, so you can shoot from new perspectives more efficiently. Whereas DJI Mavic 3 Classic has a horizontal omnidirectional vision system and a downward vision system which is capable of a full 360-degree coverage and protection. If you fly normally, it'll detect objects throughout the flight, and with the OcuSync 3 technology, Mavic 3 Classic can get a max range of 15 kilometers. The drone now has an internal storage of 8 GB, and it uses a 5000 mAh battery which can shoot 46 minutes of master shots, hyperlapse, active track, and photo video modes continuously. You can feel improvement in the GPS lock too. With Mavic 3 Classic, you can start your shooting within 30 seconds. All in all, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic has more features and better sensors solely because of the bigger body form factor. These features come in very handy when you need to shoot professional videos, and the Mini 3 can shoot with decent mini perks, but still, it's the first step in filmmaking with drones, so you'll not benefit that much if you really need to shoot for paid projects. When we compare the Mini 3 with the Mavic 3 Classic, the Mini 3 really isn't that much appealing, even with a 1/3 price difference. And if you're spending $559 for the Mini 3 and DJI RCN1 controller, we really don't think it's a worthy upgrade. There are many more options available in the market at this price point that'll offer you a far better value. If you want to scale up your production quality with the drone, go for Mavic 3 Classic, which is currently priced at $1,599 with the RCN1 controller. Now, yes, we know comparing two entirely different series cannot justify the price and value they both offer, but we just wanted to see how DJI's 2022 drones hold up to each other. Initially, DJI Mini 3 was not at the top of our preferred drones, but we do think it can help you to get the flexibility to know more and fly more. So, do you own any DJI drones? How's that holding up today? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.